Hey folks, DJ with rabidsquirrelgarage. In the last video we took the carburetor off and dropped the whole thing into the ultrasonic cleaner. In this video I'm going to take it completely apart, take all the pieces and components off of it and ultrasonic clean them while they're disassembled. So stick with me. Alright, we're going to go ahead and take this apart and see if we can't get all the pieces cleaned individually, because this thing was dirty. Remember, the throttle bracket goes on that one. Let me get this hose off of here. There we go. Does not want to come out. I guess we can leave that float on. No, we need to get it off there. Test it. There we go. Whew. Okay. Now we're going to drop this back in and have it have a go at it again. Make sure it opens. And let that get cleaned again, and then we'll do all the smaller parts individually. Okay, we got the main body. It's been through the ultrasonic cleaner again without any of the parts on it. So, and then I took it in and rinsed it off, so it's good to go. Now I'm going to put all the small pieces in these containers. Basically it's just the jet, the main jet for each one, and the floats. We're going to make sure the floats work. I'm going to push them in the water here and hold them underwater and see if any air comes out. And nothing does. They float fine. They float fine. So, and then these two I'll just put these right into the water. They don't have to do anything. The ultrasonic cleaner works right through this plastic, so that's why I keep it in there. And then we're going to drop all this into the ultrasonic cleaner, and we're done. We've got everything cleaned up now, and I don't know if you can see, but those needles are perfectly clean now. That's nothing better than nice clean parts. Okay, here we go. Put it all back together. start at the top. Okay. Oh yeah. Those slides are moving freely now. So let's flip it over, get our jets put back in. Looks like we need to get our float needles. Let me go grab those real quick. I forgot them. When I was when I put this in the ultrasonic cleaner, the float needles were stuck inside there, and I didn't want to get a pair of pliers and grab them out and possibly mess them up. So I put them in a separate container, and now I can just slide them right back in. They fit perfectly, and now we can put our floats on. Okay, we're good. Now the bowls themselves I haven't cleaned yet. I'm going to put them in the ultrasonic cleaner next. I wanted them to be separate. So now those get to go in the ultrasonic cleaner. Take a look at how they are right now, and then I'll show them to you when I get them back out of the ultrasonic cleaner. So I put these through the ultrasonic cleaner. You can see how much gunk was removed. They look nice and clean now. Of course, you got a rusted drain bolt, but the inside looks almost perfect, almost brand new. So we're going to put these on now. Okay, Now we can start putting our hoses back on, and which one was which? Doesn't really matter. Okay, that's on. Slide it back up in there. Okay. We're looking good. We're ready to put it back on the bike. Now wait, I gotta get the other hose. Where did it go? Right there. Okay. There we go. We're ready to put it on a bike. Alright, first thing we're going to do is put the throttle back on. I need my glasses for that. What's this hose for? Oh, the air box. That goes to the air box. Make sure that goes back on. But we need to make sure this goes on first. Alright, we got the throttle back on. We need to put it back in its place. I thought the throttle cable was bad, but it's not. It was just bound up inside the carburetor because the carburetor was so messed up. Okay. Alright, we're back to normal. Now we just gotta find that tube. There it is. Put it back on the air box. And that's just a breather. Crankcase breather. Yep, that's right, the crankcase. Alright, now we're ready to put the gas tank back on and give it a whirl. See if we can't get it to start and run. Just putting the two hoses back on the petcock. Okay. How much gas we have in there? We got enough gas to see if it'll turn over. Let's see if it'll turn over and actually run good. It's not leaking. No fluids are leaking. Pull the choke out. Let me see here. On reserve. Let's put some more gas in it. I forgot it all leaked out. Should be enough. Alright, we are on, yeah, we're on reserve. That's good enough. Choke out? Yeah, choke out. Well, what's going on here? Change it to on. Maybe that'll help. I've been playing with it, and now I can't get the bike to start, so I don't know what's going on. Now it's the battery, because I've been trying to start it the whole dang time. So let's charge the battery up and see what we can figure out. Choke out. It is out. And now the choke is stuck. The choke seems to be stuck. Alright, I'm going to have to take it back apart and figure out what I messed up on the carb, because the choke won't move at all now. And yeah, the bike won't start. So, and it's leaking fuel. Alright, got to take that back apart, but we'll save that for another day. If you could, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel if you aren't. And stay tuned for the next video. I will catch you all on the next one.